Gotta go down. Down, down. Down, down, down. Yeah. Down, down, a lot down. Come on, down, down, down. Nope, way down. Yeah, down, 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 down. Down, down. That shit was fucking touching the whole screen out.
Why can't I go back another two?
Because I don't want it to drop and us get stuck. Just open it and we'll be good. Look, out the doors. And you can't go back. Exactly. Restart the video so it just sees you opening it.
Alright, so what do you want me to do?
Lower it. Alright, now open it. Yeah, hold on. Ready? Yep. Hold on. It's, yeah, there's no way you can do it anymore. Yep. No, it's stuck. You can push this side. We're good. Ah!
What the hell did you do?
It stepped on my toe. Oh, it stepped on my toe. Oh, it stepped on my toe.
Now we know to get it out. We'll just put the tires closer and do this.
Yeah.
We'll put the tires like right here.
Yeah.
And then put that with the boom all the way in. And then I'll have all the adjustment we need to grab it.
Yeah, because the boom's right there.
Yeah. If we had the boom right here.
Yeah. And right now you can just drive over and you don't have to do anything. Oh, dude, look how high up it is.